So hey, I'm Kevin, project manager here at PCL Contracting. We're a Wellington and Wairarapa based company looking after civil construction.
So we do a range of work all throughout the Wairarapa with everything from drainage, civils, but we specialise in asphalt and chip sealing. All of our guys are local, we've got 22 guys on the ground now. We've got a range of fleet from diggers, loaders, trucks, everything. Along with a few pavers and a couple of retirees. We do a bunch of chip sealing as well, so we spray our own and got our roller spreaders on our trucks. We've also got a specialised 2 metre wide mill that we run all across the lower North Island region.
The client here is Masterton District Council. We are involved in Hood Aerodrome, which is a major infrastructure upgrade. We're installing about 1,800 metres of curb and channel, 21,000 square metres of either asphalt or chip seal, extending out their taxiways and service roads. There are some challenges on this site. I guess the taxiways are really flat. Typically, laying asphalt, we'd like to have a 2% grade, and the taxiways here are at 0.9, so we have to be really tight with our tolerances. We're in constant comms with airside control, just making sure that if there are planes taking off and landing, there's a procedure around that, making sure that there's no debris left that can run onto the taxiways or the runway. So we run a tractor broom daily, and then the airside control also run their own FOD sweeper just to make sure that the planes are safe coming in and out. We use the Heli-Tilt on all of our newer plant and various attachments that go along with it. It's really good for cutting the swales, we find, the Heli-Tilt. There's 1,800 metres of swales here, so there's quite a lot to go through. Digging in and around services is also good.
So at PCL we've got a people first approach. We've got our crash culture that we live and die by, which is communication, respect, attitude, support and honesty. So if you care about the people, then obviously everything's going to come with it. That comes with attached to as well. We're locals supporting locals, our suppliers matter, our clients matter, and it's really noticeable within our business.